Want to win free money for your project without the big headache? AI is your new secret sauce. Welcome to the simplest guide to winning grants in 2026. Did you know more people are applying for grants than ever? To win today, you have to be smart and strategic, not just fancy with your words. Hi, I am Juanita. Forget all that boring, confusing paperwork. I'm going to show you how AI helps you find and win the money your project deserves, and do it fast. First, finding the loot. AI tools are like a treasure map. They don't just find any grants. They find the exact people who are excited to fund your specific dream. It's not just about getting any check. It's about finding the perfect partner who loves what you do. That's how you win big. When it's time to write, AI is like having a super smart robot editor by your side. It helps you check your facts and make sure your ideas are clear and strong. But remember, always be yourself. AI is your helper, but your heart and your great ideas are what really win the prize at the end of the day. So let's wrap it up. 1. Use AI to plan your map. 2. Be clear and honest. 3. Always double check your work. Ready to win some grants? Subscribe and click the link in the description. I'll see you in the next session.